They weren't kidding when they say mama knows best. Growing up, she acted like apple cider vinegar was the holy grail, whether it was to clean wounds, treat a sore throat, or magically heal a broken neck. Okay, obviously that last one wasn't true, but you get where I'm going. I don't know why I've never thought to use it on my hair, but today, that's gonna change. After doing about 4 hours of my own research, I can't believe how many benefits there are to doing this. It promotes a healthy scalp, reduces color fading, detangles, strengthens, softens, smooths frizz, prevents hair loss. I'll leave all of my sources of information in the description. Can you use this on your hair? Yes, this can be used on all hair types, including color-treated hair. So the first thing you wanna do is wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner like you would any other day. All of the websites had different ratios as to how to mix this up, but on average it looks like about 1 part apple cider vinegar to 5 parts water is a safe place to start. An important thing to note here is that not all hair and scalps are the same. What works for one person may not work for another. Now, I've seen people add essential oils to it, but personally, the smell doesn't bother me that much anymore. We're gonna spray this over our entire head, making sure everything is evenly coated. Be sure not to get this in your eyes. And I definitely would suggest doing this in a ventilated area if you're not used to the smell of vinegar. Take your fingertips and just rub that, work that into your scalp. Product on your scalp results in itchiness, dandruff, and even prevents hair growth, because that built-up product is clogging your hair follicles. We're gonna let this sit for 2 to 5 minutes. If it irritates or burns, definitely dilute it more with water. While we're waiting 2 to 5 minutes, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to anybody that did check up on me. Obviously, I've been having some medical issues. It's a little personal, but just thank you to anybody that does care. I don't use TikTok, so I've been experimenting with the transitions on my Instagram videos. Did you catch my latest one? Alright, I'm gonna go rinse this out with cool water because that's what all of the websites said, cool water. It says to follow up with a light conditioner. No clue what a light conditioner is. I looked it up. That's what it is. If you guys are curious, this is the conditioner I'm using. Conditioner is conditioner and moisturizes either way. So, yes, like a patch of strawberries. Give that conditioner a couple minutes to work and then we'll rinse it out. I can't be the only one that takes my hair outside to dry. What just happened? I mean, I know what just happened because I did the research on it. So here's what my hair looks like when I just washed it out with regular shampoo and conditioner. It still looks very dry and dull. It just doesn't look very good. Now here's my hair after the apple cider vinegar. I think it pretty much speaks for itself. It's silky smooth and much healthier than it was before. Wow. Honestly, after one use, I was not expecting such a good result. When I was rinsing it out, I don't even know how to describe it. You could just feel how clean my hair felt when it was rinsing out. Look, my hair is so much lighter. It has been like restored to its natural state of straight, and it honestly feels longer because it's straight now. It's so shiny. I didn't realize how much buildup I had on my scalp, but it is so soft and like puffy. It's been a while since I've felt my scalp this good. You can still see it's a little bit frizzy, but it's not as bad as it usually is. That's just because my hair is broken off up there. It honestly feels like I just used super gloss on my hair. I'm not even lying. Like, wow. Maybe a little less moisturized than if I use super gloss. After a month, I'll pin a comment down below and let you know how it works with continued use. It's recommended that you do this twice a week. If you have dry hair, I would do it less often. And if you have oily hair, you might want to try doing it more often. You can overdo it though, so be careful. If today's video was helpful and you guys learned anything, and I definitely learned a lot, do me a favor and hit that like button down below. And comment if you try this on your own hair. Until next time, remember to keep your heads up and have a great day.